And because of the fact that the moon is making its closest approach to Earth near the time of the full moon, the gravitation is greater, and we've got greater tidal ranges, high and low tides, low tides and extra high tides. Look at these tide heights as we go through the next few days. 11.5 feet today, 12 feet tomorrow morning, 12.3 feet on Monday at 11:07, and 12.3 feet at noon on Tuesday. Fortunately, we're not going to have any strong winds. There's not going to be storms coincident with these extra high tides to cause any additional flooding. We're going to get some minor coastal flooding as it is, but it's not going to be enhanced anymore by any strong winds. The good news is there's not going to be much wind the next few days. Well, the warmest fall on record in the #2 position in the Blue Hill Observatory, #2 of 2017. We just had the warmest fall, the second warmest there. In Boston, it's the 5th warmest fall on record, and the big one was 2011, and that was the blowtorch year when it was so warm all fall and all winter. We had practically no snow, and it was really warm. People said, well, why can't we have more winters like this? Well, that's not going to happen this winter, that's for sure. With November temperatures being 1 degree below average, it's sort of a bellwether what's going to be happening this winter. In other words, it is going to be a changeable winter coming up. Cold snaps and a few mild spells. And yesterday's temperatures in the 50s yesterday for highs happening around midday. And this morning the temperatures are a good 10 to 15 degrees lower than they were at this time yesterday morning. So it's back to reality. It is December 2nd after all. It's 35 in Boston. We got 20s in many of the suburbs going up north. We got a lot of 20s there. From Sanford, Maine to Manchester, New Hampshire, down into Massachusetts, where it's 24 in Bedford and Norwood. And down over the Cape, it's in the lower 30s until you get to the outer Cape, P-Town down to Chatham. A lot of cloudiness coming in from the ocean, low clouds there, and that's making it a little bit milder. Overall, the high temperature today around 43 to 45. Much of the rest of the nation is warmer, though, with a lot of above-average temperatures. All we have is high pressure governing our weather this weekend, but it isn't going to be featuring tremendous bright sunshine. What it is going to be featuring is practically no wind. You'll see varying amounts of cloudiness as we go through time, and you will see temperatures which will be mostly in the middle 40s today, tomorrow, and Monday. And then on Tuesday, start to go up a little bit. In fact, the warmest part of Tuesday will be happening Tuesday evening when it goes into the 50s, and it'll still be there Wednesday morning. The bottom number, it'll still be in the 50s. We get the rain Wednesday morning, and then we get colder weather later in the week with some snowflakes on Friday. The question is, will there be any accumulating snow next weekend? That I'm not sure of yet, Anaritis.
All right, Barry, we're past the deadline for your first inch, right? You said December 1st?
Yes.
All right, thank you.